Sona, it's great to have you on the show. Tell me, what prompted you to come on the show? Was it like any other program you'd want to come, or was it any different? Have you been watching the show?
This is a great show.
Oh, great. सोनी, आपने पढ़ाई लंदन में की?
नहीं, सिर्फ ड्रामा.
हाँ, ड्रामा की पढ़ाई लंदन में की. Then why did you decide to come and settle as an actress in India?
No, actually I was, I've been brought up in Bombay.
Acha.
I've done my schooling here. And somehow I thought, I would be better off there. So I went, I don't know. It's one of those stupid ideas you get when you're young,
Did somebody force you, or did the idea spring up?
No, not at all. I mean, ever since I was 12, I wanted to act.
Acha.
And that's, I think, the only decision I've ever made in my life which I've stuck to. But, so I decided to go to London. I studied there. I worked my way through drama school, actually. I didn't have the money to study there. So I earned the money in my spare time.
क्या करती थी आप?
Well, I did all sorts of things. I was a waitress. I worked in hospitals, cleaning the floors and the toilets. I worked in a jewelry counter.
I don't believe that. You did all that?
I did all that, yeah.
Just so that you could be an actress?
Dedicated, yeah.
You look dedicated, yes. I actually should not have asked you all these questions. हाँ. आपको कभी ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं मुझे वहीं रह के एक्टिंग करनी चाहिए थी?
Actually, I mean, I think in some ways I might have been better off if I'd stayed there. But that's only now. I can only say that now.
उस वक्त आपको लगा जो आप कर रही हैं ठीक कर रही हैं जो आपने डिसीजन लिया वो सही है?
I thought that I just couldn't stay there anymore.
अच्छा, when you came back, you started your career with 36 Chandigarh Lane with Aparna Sen, or did you work before that?
I was working in theatre before that.
Were you
with
assisted with
Satyadev Dubey
के साथ? हाँ.
That's right. At Prithvi. And then the first film I did was 36 Chandigarh Lane.
And I've applied for that new job I told you about. We'll manage nicely. They're a very cultured family. He plays the sitar even. Only the other day he was saying that if he didn't have to go out and earn a living, he could play at the conferences.
और फिर कैसा लगा जब हिंदी फिल्मों में आपने काम करना शुरू किया? The kind of acceptance you were looking forward to, was it there, or did you have to really kind of struggle to survive?
I struggled very hard. I struggled very hard. If there's anybody who's worked hard, it's me.
Yes, absolutely.